Hi, I'm Andrew, a developer at NoviSystems, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with Fusion Analytics. When you first boot up the app, you're greeted with this screen asking you to generate a new user. So let's do that now. I'm going to create a username and a password and hit register. And the next page takes you to the project list. Projects let you organize your tables, dashboards, and other resources. First thing we need to do here is create a project. We'll just call it My Project. Now that the project's created, the next thing we need to do is import some data. So we'll go over here to Data Tables on the left, and we'll click the New button. And here's all the ways you can import data in Fusion Analytics. For right now, we're going to choose CSV import. And we're going to import some car sales data. This is example data at a car dealership showing various people who have purchased a car. So we give this table a name, call it car sales data, and we'll import the CSV file. Now in just a moment, the data will be imported, and I can hit the View Data button and we can take a look. We can see we have some demographics data, gender, age, and annual salary, and the final column on the right is whether they purchased a vehicle or not. 0 for not purchased, 1 for purchased. So once we have data imported, we can go over to Dashboards and we can create a new dashboard. Let's name the dashboard Car Sales Data, and we'll select the Car Sales Data table. Dashboards are the primary way to view data in Fusion Analytics. Dashboards are composed of a number of widgets. Widgets can display, analyze, and filter the data on your dashboard. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to Create New Widget, and let's create a bar graph. On the x-axis, let's do age, and hit Save. Now we'll click Disable Edit Mode so we can see the graph. And here we can see the age distribution of everybody in the data set. We can see that 38 is the most common age, followed by 40, followed by 36. You'll notice that the ages are ordered by the number of people and not by the age itself. We can change that if we go back to Edit Mode and we click Edit Settings, and we can change the sort from Y values to X values. Now we get a better idea of the distribution broken down by age. You can see people in their late 30s is the most common age, and with another peak at around 27, 28. We can add other widgets to the dashboard too. If we go back to New Widget, let's add a pie chart this time. And let's add the pie chart on the Purchased field. You can move widgets around and we can resize them like this. And now we can see the breakdown of who purchased a vehicle and who didn't. You can see hovering over this wedge, 59% did not purchase a vehicle and 40% did. And what's cool about widgets is that every widget is capable of filtering the data on the dashboard. For example, I can click on this wedge here in the pie graph, and that's going to filter on only people who have purchased a car. And now in the bar graph, this is changed to only show people that have purchased a car, and we can see the distribution's a little bit different. There's a peak right around 40 and another up at 46. So that's interesting. We've learned that those who've purchased a car tend to be a little bit older than those who are looking for a car. We can undo a filter by clicking elsewhere on the widget like that, or by clicking the little reset button. So now we know how to get started with Fusion Analytics, upload some data, and create a dashboard. With just a few clicks, we've already gotten some useful information out of our data. That's it for this video. We've got a lot more videos on in-depth topics on all the other features in Fusion Analytics. If you have any questions, comments, or are interested, please email us at info@novi.systems. Thank you.